Hello students, today we are going to learn very important concept while using inheritance. First of all, we should know the syntax how to inherit data using inheritance from base class to the derived class. And the syntax for it is, first of all, we'll write the name class and then we'll write the new class name, that is derived class name, and then we'll put colon. Then there will be visibility mode and then base class name or existing class name. This is the journal syntax for it. After that, let's see through an example. First of all, we need to write the keyword class, and this is a new class or derived class name, which is test. And then we'll put colon. And visibility mode can have three values, either public, protected, or private. Visibility mode can take these three values, as we can declare three kinds of access specifiers while creating a class: public, protected, and private. Similarly, there are three visibility modes with the same name: public, protected, and private. So here we have used the visibility mode as public. And then this is the base class name, which is the existing class which already exists. So this is the example of how to derive a class from the existing class. Here test class is derived from student class, where it will get access to the data members and member functions of the student class. But how, whether all the members of student class be accessible by the test class or some members will be accessed by the test class. So we'll see this through an example as shown in this table. So let's understand through this table. First of all, see, these are the access specifiers: public, protected, and private. And these are the type of inheritance. That means visibility modes. These are visibility modes, either public, protected, or private. In public mode, public members of the base class, these related to the base class. And these values, all these values related to the derived class. So let's suppose this is student class and this is test class. Student class would be like, it is having three sections: private, public, and protected. Suppose it is having members, roll number, name, public, mobile, and protected, let's suppose father name. So when I derive using the public mode, you can see here, then public members of the base class will become public members of the derived class test. Means all members will come under public section. All protected members will come under protected section, and private members will not be accessible. In any of the case, private members cannot be inherited, cannot move further. Public members will become public, protected members will become protected, and private members will not be inherited. When I write here the keyword public. Now the second case, when I write the keyword protected over here, if I write here protected, then public members of the base class, this is base class, this is derived. Public members will become protected, protected members will become protected. That means in protected mode, both of these members will become protected, whereas private members will not be accessible. Now in the third case, when I write here the keyword private, then public and protected members will both become private, whereas private members will not be accessible. Fine. So this table is very, very important while doing programs of inheritance or using inheritance in your programs. I'll repeat once again. Private members cannot be inherited in any case. They will not move from base class to the derived class. However, in public mode, if I write here public, then public members will remain as public and protected members will remain as protected. It is the simplest mode. You can say that. They'll remain as such. In case of private, just forget they'll be inherited. In public mode, public will become public, protected will become protected. If I write here protected, then both public and protected will become protected. They'll go under protected section. And in the third case, if I write here private, then both public and protected will become private. So this concept you have to learn thoroughly before using inheritance in your programs. So I hope you understood the concept. If you have any doubt and queries, you can ask me in the comment box. This is very, very, very important concept while using inheritance. Thank you.